Want to know the difference between struggling and succeeding? Watch this and learn how to allocate your resources effectively. And when you do, everything changes. I'm Brian Ford, and this is Self Improvement Daily. Recently, I've been hearing Alex Hormozi talk a lot about the importance of strategy, which he defines as what you do with what you have. There is an infinite number of ways you can plan to make an improvement, solve a problem, maximize an opportunity, initiate a change, or optimize an output. Strategy is that lens of discernment where you choose how to best allocate your resources. First and foremost, your strategy is most limited by your clarity. If you're clear on what results you want to generate, then your strategy can directly align with that. But if the desired result is fuzzy, then even the best strategy isn't going to do anything for you. So to start, investing more time in knowing exactly what you want to happen is the best investment of time and resources. In other words, you need to set a clear goal. It's from that intention where you can craft the right strategy and do the most with what you have. This is your plan for how you're going to achieve that goal. The process of establishing a strategy starts with getting inspiration from what has worked for others who accomplished a similar goal, or even what's worked for you in the past. Ultimately, you want to choose the path that you have the resources for and that you believe is most likely to perform for you. What's refreshing about Hormozi's approach is that it's very practical. The effectiveness of a strategy isn't a binary marker of either it worked or it didn't. It's more a measurement of how much it worked or how much it didn't. Because any strategy can work. It's how much it works that most concerns you. And to improve your approach, you can use the feedback you get from your performance to inform your next decisions about how you can improve your strategy or shift to a new strategy altogether. This concept of having an underlying strategy will help you to achieve any goal. Let's say you have the goal to double your business. Your strategy can be to double the marketing volume, add a new product, or cut expenses to improve your profits. All are viable strategies. You pick the one that you think is most likely to work for you. Or you have the goal to lose 20 pounds. Your strategy can be to work out more, work out harder, eat less, eat more nutritiously, etc. All are strategies. Or let's say you have a goal to visit Paris. You can create a monthly savings plan to visit on vacation, finagle your way into a work event with expenses paid, or meet a cute Frenchie at your local bistro and elope in their home country, right? There's a truly infinite number of strategies available to you. And that's why your process for picking the right strategy needs to come down to this: allocating your resources in such a way that you do the most with what you have. When it comes to being the best, most inspired, most achieving version of myself, my strategy is to use a high-performance tracking system that I call my Self Improvement Scorecard. If you're curious to check it out, click the link in the description. I'm Brian Ford, and you grew today. Let's do it again tomorrow on Self Improvement